Samahan niyo ako pumunta ng gym. Oo, ipunda. Thank you. Sariling buhat tayo dito. Here's what I'm bringing with me. Ayoko mag-bag. Kailangan ko ba mag-bag? What's in my non-bag? My headphones, pamuyod, my gloves because I don't have grip strength. My key pass. Student! Water. I'm not gonna bring this. Lalagyan ko lang. What is this vlog? Towel? And since wala tayong car, I need pamasahe. Dali ko pa wallet ko.
Oh my god, what is that?
Kakaya eh. Pamasahe lang. This is what I look like. Please don't judge me at the gym. Or at the jeep. Ang init. Binigyan ako ni Kuya ng student discount. Habang student. I'm like 30. I took a shower.
개똥. 길 봐서 학생 같이 보여?